Alright, Edison, input 1, mic, power on, power ups go, boosters at full throttle, just total and complete
Flower.
mayhem. Here's Pete.
Put on a good show for us today, man. You got this.
Yep,
All you.
let's go. Pizza. There's the dough. Get it out, keep it round. Keep it round. Only one shape.
Didn't work.
Alright, that's fine. Alright, let's go, Pete. You got this. One pizza dough, one man, one oven. Many pieces of cheese.
Dead and died.
Dang. One camera down, 18 left.
Lost the camera. That's no good. Yeah, I gotta take a drink.
Alright, we're back. This camera's back up and running.
Yep, got a new battery. Let's go.
Why, you guys want to flip? Yo, who's calling for a flip back there? A flip!
Let's see it.
A flip!
Do it for Ron.
For the kids! By the light! Over the light! No. He's crazy.
That was insane. That was crazy, man. Only see it right here.
Yeah, we all know about the Pizza Hut guy.
Let's
Or
go.
the Papagino's guy with his
Hey,
throwing his pies. I'm that guy too.
hey, chill out. Yo, chill out.
Oh no.
What, to get a hole?
No.
Nice.
No hole, no hole.
Nice.
No hole here.
Oh shit, there's a hole.
There's a hole right there, man. No fooling.
Hole's gone.
Fixed it. Let's go, Pete.
She ain't the best, but she's there. Huh?
Alright, get it on there. Semolina on the peel. Zooming around.
Cheese sauce.
Yep. Sauce goes on the pizza, not under. Right on top. Spread it around. Yep. Cling clang. There's the pizza. Here's the cheese, scorpion pepper. Nice and spicy. Almost too spicy.
Chunks in the middle. Think a slice of cove.
But we have way too much scorpion pepper cheese because Pete bought like two blocks and then we already had a block in the fridge, and so
You guys want bacon?
yeah.
Or no? Leave it in the comments. Hey, we got 10 comments asking for bacon. We just ran to the store. We're out in the Goonies, so the store's about 3 hours from us. But for you guys, anything. Bacon!
Chop chop. What I call it, pig pie, right?
Ida, Jess.
Former employee.
Jess, a former employee.
See, yeah, got it right. Yeah.
Still got all that, because it's perfect. Now blow it off.
There it is. One pie, blow the semolina away.
See you at the oven.
Because of this guy.
Hopefully I got that. I pressed it at the last second.
Too much flour there, man. It's beat up.
I put it not close to fire, so no good.
It's good. It's good. It take a minute. It's good. Oh no, it's brown, man. Perfect placement, my friend.
A plus.
Watch this.
Yo.
You can never, Grace.
Careful.
Just be like, yes.
He said, what you mean? What you mean?
I do it again, my friend. Tommy, put your hand in there. Oh shit, we still on high, man.
Yeah,
you like that?
You like when I do
You
that?
like that? Like what's the matter with you, Greg?
Oh, I forgot. Whatever, leave it on. Yeah, leave it
Yeah,
there.
put it low, boy,
As
dude.
low as it can go.
But this might be our first 90-second pizza. Also, think about it.
I don't really do the Neapolitans, man.
That's nice. What are you talking
I
about?
don't know why the camera's over there though.
Let's get a sneak peek. Wow! Ungangwa!
Someone must have bumped the camera.
Give her a lift so we could see her. Oh, she perfect. She perfect.
Portnoy style.
Look at that.
Not at all. It's not at all Portnoy style. I
I'm
don't
gonna give it a couple more seconds right here because I want it colored perfectly.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Don't look at that.
Oh my gosh! Okay.
Give me that goddamn camera right now, great.
Go for
Is it on there? Make sure it's pointed directly to the thing.
What do you mean?
That camera.
There it is. There's the pie. Everybody talking in the background.
Sonka. Sonka.
I don't know why they're all talking.
It's another heart.
There it is.
Anyone hear that crunch?
Oh yeah, I am doing that.
Holy crap. Yo, it says do not step.
Yeah, fucking film me doing it, cause I'm a bad.
Decent hold. Undercarriage, super quick pop. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? Boom, bam, Grease.
Sit down.
boom,
Nope.
bam,
Nope.
grease.
Right there.
Look at that grease.
Hey.
Excellent! Hot! Fresh. Is that spicy cheese?
Hot and fresh.
Yeah. All right, Big Pie Co.
All right. Nice.
This has been a Pie by Pete. Thanks for watching.